Hi, I'm Crystal Fresh from Fresh for Life. And today I want to teach you a little bit about some ways that you can release stress or anxiety that is happening in your daily life. These are very quick exercises, can take only a couple seconds or a couple of minutes, and I really encourage you to do it on a daily basis so that you can stay in alignment with your higher self and have more energy to do the activities that you need to do, as well as more clarity in mind and releasing the anxiety that you may be carrying with you. So to start with, I want you to take your hands and place them on your lower belly. When we're moving throughout our day and we're in a rush, we tend to breathe with our upper chest. That means that our lungs are not getting filled with oxygen, which means that our body, all of our organs, and our brain are not getting as much oxygen as they need to fully operate. So we're going to begin by putting the hands on the lower belly and breathing in through the nose to fill that lower belly. So breathe in, feeling the belly push out and blow out through the mouth. One more breath in. And blow out through the mouth. And to keep the chatter of your mind focused, you may want to count to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on your in breath or your out breath, just depending on where you're at. So let's take one more and count to 3. In through the nose. 2, 3, and out through the mouth. 2, 3. Excellent. So this is a very basic exercise that you can use at any point in time in the day just to get some oxygen into your body and help your energies be more centered and have more flow. If you have another minute or two throughout your day, I'd like to encourage you to do this meditation. So after taking a couple of deep breaths, just close your eyes, put your shoulders back, and imagine yourself as a big giant tree standing in the middle of a field. You've got nothing to do and nowhere to go, no one to answer to, no Facebook notifications going off, no children to care for, just feeling yourself swaying in the wind as a giant tree. Now pay attention to the trunk of the tree and how solid you are as the trunk of the tree. Even though the wind may be blowing heavily, you're still staying straight and strong in one place. And now feeling the roots of your tree pushing down, down, down into the earth. Feeling the roots growing from the bottom of the trunk or from your feet, deep into the earth, past the top layers of dirt, through the rocks or the sand or clay, feeling each root growing stronger and pushing its way further and further and further into the earth. Feeling the roots going deeper and deeper through the layers of rocks, the layers of crystals, wrapping the roots all around the different rocks and crystals as you grow deeper and deeper into the earth. And feeling yourself becoming very grounded. The deeper that your roots grow, the stronger and more solid the tree will be against the outside forces. And as you take another deep breath in through the nose and blowing it out through the mouth, you feel any tension, blockages, anxiety, or stress just moving down, down, down through the roots of your tree, all the way down deep into the earth. I'm feeling the fresh oxygen from the leaves and the flowers of your tree pouring in, rejuvenating you, refreshing you, comforting you, nourishing you, helping you to feel supported in your environment. And taking another deep breath in, filling the lungs, filling the tree trunk and the branches, and blowing out through the mouth, releasing any heavy energy through the roots of your tree into the earth. Feeling yourself grounded, strong, and stable. And when you are ready, you can gently begin to open your eyes and feel yourself connected with Mother Nature. Feel the stability of the ground around you. You may feel some tingling in your body if you're suddenly taking deep breaths and you haven't been. And that's oxygen providing nourishment to the cells in your body. This will help your brain to function better, help you to handle stress better and anxiety better. Remind yourself that you're an amazing being, that you can handle anything that comes your way. Know that deep within yourself, you have all of the answers that you need. Value yourself and love yourself. Take your hands to your heart, close your eyes, and send some love and gratitude to yourself for doing everything that you do in your life and for taking these couple of moments to nourish yourself, rejuvenate yourself, and recharge yourself. Thank you for taking these few minutes with me. I wish you all the best in your day today. May you be centered and grounded and live your life free from anxiety and stress. This is Crystal Fresh from Fresh for Life. Thank you and have a great day.